Alright, this is the second part of our tutorial, and we're going to show you actually how to do the screencasting. Two tips you should keep in mind when you're going to do your math screencasting. Number one, you should do your work on paper first, because that'll help make sure you understand the problem. And number two, you're going to set up the problem on Sketchpad before you record. So as I said, right now you should be on the Sketchpad app. We did a Google search for Sketchpad, and that's how we got here. So what I've done with this problem is I've done it on paper first, and this is a problem where I'm going to show my addition strategy of adding, making tens in order to make adding a little easier for me. So first thing I notice, I have my pencil selected, and I'm going to go ahead first and make the pencil a little bigger. So I'm going to drag it down here. So over here I can just simply drag it, and I can see in the middle it shows me how thick I want it. Well, I think that's probably pretty good. Too thick and it's going to be hard to go ahead and write. So I have my pencil, and I'm going to go ahead and write my problem out first. So my problem here that I've worked out on paper is 8 plus 3. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put equal, and I'm also going to make sure I have left myself room to show my work. So that's all I need to do for this problem. I usually like to set my problem up in one color and show my work in another color. And so I'm going to show my work in purple, and I'm going to do just a little more pre-work right here. Set this up so I can kind of break this apart, because I'm going to turn this number up here into 10. So now that I've got my problem set up, I'm going to practice a few times of what I'm going to say with my partner, and after I'm done that, I'm going to record. So I'm going to go ahead and go up right here to our Screencastify icon right here. We've already set that up. I'm going to click the record, and my microphone is working. I can see it going up and down, and I'm ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and hit record desktop, and I'm going to have a pop-up, and I'm going to want to hit the share button, and then after that it's going to go 3, 2, 1, and I'm going to record. So here we go. Go
3,
share that.
2, 1.
Alright, hi, my name is Ben, and today we're going to do the making 10 strategy when we're doing addition. So I can see 8 plus 3 here, and I know that if I can turn that 8 into 10, I'm going to make that problem a little bit easier. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and say 8 plus what is going to give me 10? Well, 8 plus 2 is going to give me 10, so I'm going to break the 3 into a 2 and a 1, which then turns this problem into 10, because 8 plus 2 right here, 8 plus 2 is going to give me the number 10, so that's 1. And then I'm going to add the other number, and the other number right here is this 1 that I'm going to put a box around. So now instead of 8 plus 3, I'm going to turn 10 plus 1, and that's going to give me 11. So that's just my making 10 strategy. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you this in one more way real quick. And I'm going to go ahead and use stars. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm adding 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Again, if I take the 8 and I add it to 2, that's going to give me a 10. And 10 plus 1 right here is 11. So I've double checked my work. Hope that makes sense. Thanks for watching. Now I'm going to come up here, hit the button again, and end my recording. So now the next thing I might need to do is grab the link for Google Classroom. We'll show you how to do that last part maybe in one more video.